Welcome and hello. This is Russell. I am doing a video on lung cancer, as I was promised to do. So, the symptoms of lung cancer after research online, which you can't believe everything online, but it's a very bad cough that doesn't go away, chest pain when you talk, breathe, or laugh, coughing up blood or red septum or rust-colored septum or phlegm, loss of weight and appetite, and tiredness and fatigue. So please, quit smoking or you're going to get really sick. And those of you who are smoking and you know this, know the side effects, just be aware. I would think that'd be a good idea. Anyway, thank you. This is Russell Man from Stupid Stuff Studies. Thank you.